This is a wee film clip of the forgotten village of Burnhaven on the north-east coast of Scotland. This is a wee fishing village at east of Loy in between Peterhead and Boddam. You can just see Boddam in the background of this clip. Now, this is one of the streets in Burnhaven, and as you can see, it looks to be like one of your all Bedford vans with a sliding doors. I even had one of them myself, but of course not at that time, because this wee village was long gone when I was a bairn. This clippy here is 12 folk at the wally gathering their water, because that was their supply of water. And they would gather it in pails, and this is Mrs. Jean Bain and a Mr. John Willocks at the village pump. This clippies was given to me for Margaret Brett, and she was born in Burnhaven. Now, in that days there was no lavies, so they would have to use a pail, and Peir Margaret was born into a pail. So I hope it was not a poop pail. This is a clippy of the main road, the main street into Burnhaven. That's a lad walking down the main street, and you can imagine that lad's more than likely long gone, longer this time. Just like a village itself. Of course, there's nothing left of this village now, and there's a muckle sewage works that sits in the vicinity for this village used to be. There's still a school at Burnhaven. It would be the only thing that's left of Burnhaven now. Well, I hope you enjoyed that wee clips of Burnhaven.